Good afternoon. My name is Steve Bacon, and this is In the Garage with Bacon. What we have today is a 1967 Pontiac Bonneville that we're going to do a walk around, and we're going to check it out. So what we've got is a 1967 Pontiac Bonneville with the Firebird 400 YE code motor, which is very rare. And this was found in Hillsboro in an airport, so let's take a look at it. As you can see, that this car is in very good condition. It has 67,000 original miles. It's been very well taken care of. It's been in a family for a very long time. We found it about a year ago, and let's check it out. So you're opening up these doors right here. Take a look at the inside of it. And you can see very good condition. If you take a look at the top and you take a look at all of the seals along the windows, you've got a little bit of seals coming off here, but overall door shuts good. Everything lines up good. Let's take a look inside the trunk. So these cars were the top of the performance back when they first came out, and this was one of the most performance sedans that was available. As you can see, you've got the original hubcaps for the spare, original hubcaps all the way around. You've got the original floor mat. If you look down at the floor pan, you can see solid. There's a couple of areas that look like they need to be touched up. Pretty minor considering the age and the fact that it's all original. Everything shuts good, looks good. A little bit of rust on the outside of the bumper, but it lines up very well. It has been off of the road since 2005. However, it has been driven about once a month around the airport to keep the fluids up. So let's take a look at the other side. This paint looks really good. It has been repainted about in the 90s, and it still looks good. It is a driver quality. When you get up close, you can see some minor inconsistencies. If you take a look at the inside, you can see that you've got all the door panels are in great shape. It's got the original owner's manual that comes with it. Let's take a look under the hood. So we haven't done anything to this car. We could have detailed the inside of the engine compartment, but again, it is 67,000 original miles. It runs really well, and this is the 400 engine. Let's go ahead and see how it runs. Go ahead and fire it up. This engine runs very well. It fires right up, runs good, no exhaust leaks, no lifter noise, very healthy. The front grille is all original. The bumper is in really good condition. It's got a couple of areas of pitting up in the front. Mostly this car is unrestored and has been really well taken care of. Thank you for taking a look at it, and email me if you have any questions.